$1,000 personal bond. That's your promise that you're going to abide by those rules I just laid down.
Yes,
you're
I will.
in treatment, you're on the GPS tether, and nothing but phone contact with your siblings.
Right.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debts payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 times 5?
Yes.
Thank you. What do we got?
Your Honor, I think Mr. Shoup has several cases scheduled for pretrial. 2 of them are scheduled for an arraignment pretrial, Your Honor. We are prepared to waive formal reading and stand mute as to those cases, Your Honor. We would ask for an adjourned pretrial date so that we could receive and review discovery, and we would also ask to address bond, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, so it looks like cases ending in 45 and 46 are the ones yet to be arraigned. I'll enter not guilty, please, for Mr. Shoup.
Yes.
And let's see, for pretrials, pretty much any Wednesday.
Okay, Your Honor, give me 1 second here.
So pick a Wednesday and we'll schedule all the files for the same day.
I'm trying to see, Your Honor, because I'm going to be following this case, trying to see. Your Honor, if we could set it for the 14th, I don't want to put it too far out. If I can't be here physically, I'll have one of my colleagues cover, but I would not like to set it out past the 14th.
Yeah, February 14th, 10 o'clock.
That sounds good, Your Honor.
And that's going to be with Judge Green, so that's Zoom.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's talk bond.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to speak with APA Mohammed. He has spoken with, I believe, one of the complainants in these cases, I guess like a representative of the family, if you would agree. And he has a cash bond, a 10% bond on several cases. I believe his total is $3,000 at this time. He is unable to post a monetary bond. We would ask that the court consider a personal bond with a tether, Your Honor. My understanding is that there's to be no assaultive contact with the complainants. No assaultive contact with the complainants and not to return to the home address. Is that correct, APA Mohammed? If the court, of course, is in agreement, Your Honor, with what we have stipulated to.
So it would be, the people would request that this individual, if to be released, would be on a tether due to his history of failing to appear and his criminal history. We'd also request that no physical contact with any of the victims or even personal contact. The only contact the victim expressed to me is she wants to be able to communicate with her brother through the phone. So no assaultive contact and to remain on the tether if released. Okay.
The only problem with this is I'm the one that set his bond as I did because he told me he had no place to go except the address where his siblings were. And I can't give a GPS tether to a homeless guy.
And I understand that, Your Honor. I have spoken to my client today. He has indicated to me, that's why I wanted to set such a quick pretrial date, just in case he's not able to confirm an address. But in speaking with him today, he seems pretty certain that he's going to be able to reside with someone in Dearborn Heights. So he was going to make some calls. And so that's where we're at, Judge. We can revisit in 2 weeks if he's unable to provide a tether address by that time.
I'm not sure how it'll work. I suppose I could change the cash bond to a personal bond on those other files, require the GPS tether, and they're not going to let him out unless they've got an address that's been confirmed.
That's exactly what would happen. And that's why, again, we would come back in 2 weeks. If he wasn't able to get an address, then we'll see where the cases are at that point and where the complainant's at and where everything's at.
All right. So what we'll do is I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 files for Mr. Shoup.
And I think
good morning, Corporal.
Good morning, Your Honor. I was just going to add that he is receiving mental health treatment here. And if he does get that personal bond with GPS tether and he has no verifiable address, he can also be put in an inpatient treatment facility for mental health.
Oh, I'd rather have that.
Yeah. As long as it's
Absolutely.
stipulated on the minimuses, Your Honor, they can work with them and put them in a treatment center.
Miss Medina, maybe you need a breakout room because I'd rather have him in treatment than out at some friends.
Well, Your Honor, my understanding is that my client would like to be, if possible, Your Honor, released from custody, but of course, that would be up to the court to decide. It would be great if that could be an alternative. So if he's not able to get an address, and able to be tethered, that then he be placed in inpatient, as opposed to just sitting in the jail. But we would still ask the court to consider a personal bond, with a tether, Your Honor.
And Judge, just for the record, after speaking to the victim, she did express to us that she largely wanted this individual to receive some kind of treatment.
Right.
So we would stipulate to anything in regards to this individual receiving treatment.
Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Shoup, brother, I don't want you in jail.
Okay.
I think I made that clear to you last time I had you on video. I don't want you in jail, but I can't have you in the street.
Right.
I want you in treatment. If the jail can put you right into treatment right now, are you willing?
Yes.
Listen to me. These problems with your siblings, you've been on a roller coaster, man.
I know, man. Since my mom died, I know.
We gotta get your head in the right spot.
All right. Your Honor.
All right, hear my heart. I think I'm doing this for you, buddy.
I think you are.
I think this is what you need.
Yes.
I mean, I could put you out in Garden City. Mr. Mohammed already gave me the okay, but I don't want that. I don't think that's what you need right now.
No, I don't.
All right. So, Corporal, let's be clear. If I put him on a personal bond on all files and require mental health treatment, that's what you need on the MIT.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. I'm not going to do the GPS tether. I'm going to order the no contact, but I don't want the tether to mess things up. I'm assuming, Corporal, if he's not in treatment, we're going to know it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are we all satisfied with that?
Yeah, I'm just confused. Deputy, does he require a tether to go into inpatient or no? It would be fine, a personal with
Your
mental
Honor,
health.
whatever the court wants, it's just
Okay.
once. They won't transport him to an inpatient treatment center because he's no longer on tether. He's not a tether. So he'll have to self-report. If he's on tether,
Okay.
we can transport and we can monitor him.
Okay. So it's better to put him on the GPS tether. I thought it was
Exactly.
another impediment.
Yes, sir.
It's actually helping. Okay. So I'll order the GPS tether. I'll order the mental health treatment, and I'll order the no contact. So other than phone contact with your siblings, that's it. Correct, Mr. Mohammed?
Yes, sir.
And remember, Mr. Shoup, that all of your calls are recorded now that we're talking about phone calls, okay?
I
All
know.
right, thank you.
Yes, I know.
Mr. Shoup, good luck to you, brother. So
Yeah,
on each one of these 5 files, I'm going to put you on a 1,000